Hi everybody. This week we get to finish the digestive system, which is chapter 6, and hit chapter 7, which is our urinary system, so our second, body system that we're going through. So when I say we need to finish up digestive, I hate to say it, but there really is more sections of blue boxes here in chapter 6. We hit right to it in the very first page of the chapter. We start with more suffixes, more combining forms, and then really important lab test procedures, things like that we're going to hit in the lecture. And then we get to chapter 7, which is the urinary system. I want you to be thinking again, go over the anatomy and physiology part of it, but then really make sure you take the time to make those flashcards for the urinary system as well. And listen to the lectures, as they can really, really help you hone in on where in your reading to pay closer attention to maybe than others. Good luck and have fun this week.